now we out here in Aubrey, Texas, damn near Oklahoma. We're doing a set of brakes, multi-point inspection on the car. It's pretty cool. I like this neighborhood too. They had an airport close out by our house. Oh yes. Gonna be in the garage too, since it's like 105 out today. All right, brakes on this, it's a pretty simple procedure. It's gonna be 13 millimeters on the back. Make sure you grease these pins, clean these brackets if your new brakes don't come with them. And I'm using an old brake pad to push this piston in the rest of the way. All right, for the fronts, same procedure. It's gonna be a 19 millimeter on the back. Make sure when you install these pads that this one goes on the back side and you don't wind up installing two front ones on these, because that typically happens when you're not paying attention. So, all right, I think that's about it for today. It's really hot and I'ma chill. Try not to overwork myself. It ain't worth it, you know? Not for these cars, that's for sure.